Hi, I'm Gloria Pierson and I'm a certified life coach. I don't know about you, but sometimes I get very frustrated when I'm trying to manifest something and I'm doing affirmations and it doesn't seem to be going anywhere. That happens to you, this video is for you because it's on why your affirmations are not working. And I'm going to give you a few techniques, and then at the end of the video, we're going to do a meditation together where I'm going to go through a whole series of I am affirmations. You will listen quietly and meditate, and that will help change the direction that you are going in, so you'll be more positive inward instead of outward, and your affirmations will start working. Now, if you enjoy my videos, I ask you to please hit that subscribe button, and if this video means something to you, please hit that like button. But let's go ahead and get started. So affirmations are positive statements, and we say them a lot of times in order to make change in our life. It's one of the greatest tools for the law of attraction and manifesting. I especially like the I am, I capital A-M affirmations, because what those are, that is God in action. That's what I am is. If you don't like the word God, think of source, infinite intelligence, whatever works for you. But whenever you say them powerfully with energy, they are powerful because you are connecting with source. You are connecting with that river of light and energy that we are to have in our life, and that's a life with love, peace, harmony, beauty, and abundance. And we all have that available to us because we all have our own I am presence inside of us because we are connected to source. But sometimes we cut that off, like we shut the door on that energy because a lot of times we may be too concerned with our outer conditions. And we may think, oh, I want this, but this will never happen. And we're too focused, our ego is, on the outer instead of the inner I am presence. So one of the things, before you say your affirmations and your decrees, just spend a few moments getting in touch, in silence, with your own I am presence. And then do your affirmations. So you could be in nature, you could be at your desk, just close your eyes, silence, don't think of the outer, just stay inner, and get in touch with that source, with that river of energy. So you too can have what is there for you: love, peace, harmony, abundance, and beauty. And then do your affirmations. Another thing we do out of habit is how many times do you catch yourself saying, I am not well, I am not wealthy, I am not smart, I am not pretty, I am not good enough. Every time you use those not, the I am not, you are cutting yourself off from this energy. You are shutting that door closed, and that flow is not there. So what do? Well, if you catch yourself doing this, I am well, immediately get in touch, get that flow going. I am, I am, I am, because the I am is the energy of God, of infinite intelligence, and of source. And it's just getting in touch with that, and then what you want will manifest in your life. Don't put a time frame on it, but it will, because it is there available for all of us. Believe it and trust. Now what I want to do is let's do a little meditation together to kind of get you on the right track and going in the right direction. So we're going to do a little meditation. What I'm going to do is I'm going to read you some very powerful affirmations, the I am affirmations. These are from the Saint Germain Discourses. And they were written, translated like in the 1930s. They're very powerful. And what I suggest is you listen to these for 21 days and see at the end of 21 days if you don't see a change in your life, in your attitude, in your own I am presence. I did a video recently on affirmation and subliminal messages, and we kind of talked in that video about doing your own affirmations and your own videos and your own recording your own. So this is kind of another part of that. So what I want you to do is close your eyes And inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Leave that outer world behind. And I want you to get in touch right now with your own I am presence. Close your eyes and get in touch with it. That presence that is inside each one of us, that is connected to Source. Your I am presence that is filled with the energy that you can access of love, beauty, peace, harmony, and abundance. Just a few moments just getting in touch. You can do it. Now I want you to leave your eyes closed, gently closed. Relax and just listen to the affirmations I will be repeating. This will help get you on the right road and program your subconscious in your I am presence. I do know the Ascended Master thing to do every second, every day, and I do it always. I am the Ascended Master consciousness and ever-present victory of all I desire to do forever. I am forever God commanded. Mighty I am presence, charge me so full of divine love that every person, place, condition, and thing I contact becomes instantly harmonious and obedient to the I am presence. Mighty I am presence, raise the liquid light in my body. Take it back into thyself and produce perfection in me forever. I am here and I am there. I am divine love and blessings everywhere. I am the mighty electronic energy flowing through, filling and renewing every cell of my mind and body right now. I am the presence producing the perfect business I desire. I am inexhaustible energy. I am irresistible divine love. I am indestructible health. I am inescapable prosperity. I am invincible protection. Now take a deep breath. And when you're ready, open up your eyes. So this is the beginning of your manifestations and affirmations working. We're going to change that tape in your subconscious mind and get you on the right track to the destination that you want. Now again, listen to this for 21 days because that's how long it takes to break a habit, and you will see a change in yourself. Now, if you enjoy my videos, again, please hit that subscribe button. And if you like this, like it and share it. And again, thank you so much for watching. I am so grateful for all my subscribers and everybody that watches this video, and I'm sending all of you lots of love and light.